What's going on, guys? This is Decelation. We got Brian.
What's up, peeps?
We're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck, and today is an important day. What are we doing today, Brian?
We're gonna throw that body on this car between rainstorms.
Yeah, it's been like torrential downpour and then no rain, and the sun has been out both times. It's like, what happened? Who came from Florida and brought this crap up here? I blame you. But yeah, so right now it's kind of clear, so we have to put like two of these little door brackets on each side before we toss the body on. And this is just the first fit of the body anyways. We're gonna be pulling it off hopefully once, but Brian, the way this has been going, 3 to 4 times. But yeah, so we're gonna pull the body back off later anyway, so I'm gonna put the raw steel ones on no matter, and I'll just paint them the next time we pull off the body. Sound good? All right, stay tuned, and you guys will watch the fun process of us putting the body on.
My goodness. That is wicked.
You want to hear it up close?
Yeah, I'm about to put some earplugs in there. This thing sounds like it's on NASCAR or something, man.
Yeah.
Well,
it's
like
straight
the
process.
exhaust, the exhaust system's only this long.
I'm saying it sounds like NASCAR, man. That thing is cranking.
Yeah.
Jeez, good lord, man. Can't hear myself think.
It's a little bit of monster.
I'm gonna tell you one thing.
It was really loud when it was pointed into the garage.
Is that right?
Oh,
Yeah, because it's bouncing off the wall.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I bet it's kicking.
It was insane. It was like, holy shit.
His friend son was like, "What'd you think, Devin?" He's like, "Well, I'm not deaf."
Exactly. You know, I am now.
Yeah. But yeah.
Well, you look, I get rid of my Hellcat in time. I had to spank you.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I would have spanked you hard, boy.
You think that?
Oh man, that Hellcat would have left you crying, boy. Yeah.
You know,
Time you start this up, I've been long gone. I've been down Leesburg.
that's because the moment that you found out I was starting up, you're like, I'm not gonna be home for this.
You lucky, you lucky, man. You lucky. I ain't got that damn Hellcat. Yeah, you lucky I ain't got that Hellcat, boy. Shit.
Well, you don't get that TRX, the truck against truck. That's not
That TRX against your Raptor. You saw the commercial, didn't you?
bad.
You saw him to the Raptor in the commercial, and that T-Rex got a hold of it?
Uh-huh.
You don't want no part of that T-Rex, boy.
Oh, no, I'm not talking about the Raptor, Kenny. I'm talking about...
You talking about this thing here?
Yeah, young
Oh, I know. You don't want man, that freaking T-Rex will mash this thing, son.
This side, I'll get this side. That's a
You
little
got
bit.
it on the payroll.
You want to get the, the side. You just got to lift it up a little high. Just clear this back stub right here.
Oh, sorry, I'll let you turn a little bit.
Alright. Yeah. Probably should have lowered that box down. I don't remember which is easier, front or back. Probably the front. You got your side?
Yeah.
Alright. Kind of lift over. Yeah, pull out a little bit. You see that lift right there.
Oh, okay.
It needs to slide forward a little bit.
These need to go in front of the pillars.
It's getting caught at these lifts right here. You can stretch out out at the bottom a little bit. There you go.
Seat. You on the seat back here. Back of the seat right there.
Alright. That's why I didn't bolt it in.
There you go. Get there, huh?
You can pull out a little bit. Hey, yeah, you need to lift up the back. It almost comes on straight down. Let's see what we're getting caught on. You can pull out a little bit.
We just need that piece to go. Is this going in front of this or behind?
Behind.
Okay.
I got it on. There we go. Oh, you gotta get that behind. There we go.
Perfect fit. Nice Ratmobile.
Yeah. Let's see how.
You in there okay, Gary?
Oh boy.
No, a little tight, but you got it on.
Yeah.
We don't have to worry about the.
He's in there. If your seat could go back about 2 more inches, you'll be all right.
This is gonna be an interesting driving experience.
But but the body will let you do it, though.
That's about all the body
Yeah,
gives.
that's except I'm gonna give you that 2 inches you need. This will go back about 2 more inches. Back to here. To cover space pretty much, really. That's what you need right there. To make it a bit more room in the front for you.
Yeah.
That way you can bring your seat back some.
Some modifications.
Yep, start cutting it up. Let's go.
It's not that bad though. Like I've got the tilt steering wheel,
Uh-huh.
so I can.
Run it
almost-
like that right there? Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, I can run it like this and still have.
Yeah, a little bit. Maneuver. Yeah.
I can't wear boots while driving, but I can drive it like this though.
Yeah, you're gonna need some soft shoes. They're gonna hit those pedals pretty close to each other, man.
Yeah.
I like where your shifter's at too. Where you see this? Yeah, there you go. Awesome. Uh-huh.
See, now we don't have to worry about putting that slider in for Masha because that's about how much forward we needed to go for her to drive it.
Yeah, this is all
Yeah,
the foot
you're
room.
right. That might be too far for you.
It is all the foot room she'll need.
What I'll have to, you know, be able to cut that whole bottom
Yeah,
and reshape it.
yeah. I don't know if I want to deal with that.
All right. Maybe we'll fire that thing up and get it back in there.
Yeah, it's about to start raining again.
Give your body its first wash there.
Welcome back, guys. So the footage you guys just saw was Brian and I putting this body back on, and as you can see, when we were talking about we need to catch the break, it's already raining again. I don't know if you can see it on the footage, but sun's out and it's raining. So yeah, we definitely threaded the needle on getting this body back on and bringing it back in the garage. So yeah, this looks amazing. And for the people that I was telling you, like, I'm not going to bolt the seats in until I get the body back on, because I remember the body intrudes a decent amount into the cab. So it was a little bit tighter of a squeeze inside for my legs and feet and everything, but it'll work. It's not too bad. And one of the options that for any of you big and tall people, get the tilt steering wheel. Get the tilt steering wheel. Get the tilt steering wheel. I'm serious. There is no way this will work if you don't have the tilt steering wheel. That was the one option. I was like, I don't really want to buy it. I was like, yeah, I probably should, because I know how tall I am. I'm 6'1" and 90% legs. Yeah, I needed it. And if you're tall, get the tilt steering wheel. Yeah, that's like 4 times. But yeah, so we're looking through and looking at the next thing we're gonna do is align the body per the factory 5 came with 4 self tappers, 2 on each side in this spot, and that's what kept the body attached. And the procedure says you want to put those in because that keeps the body aligned perfectly where it should be. And then I believe next is we're going to be working on drilling into the firewall to attach to the front of the body right here. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll keep on working, cracking through. And it's like 90 degrees and it's been raining, so if you see us dying of sweat, that's why. All right, stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So last we left you off, we put the main body on. So Brian also decided to sneak the grill cover on. We tested that out. We tested the hood and determined that we're not gonna run the hood. I'm not feeling it, so no hood it is. And then for the we decided to get a little bit froggy and we started test fitting body panels. Not really, would you say test fitting, more like visualization?
These are to help Gary's dreams tonight.
Yeah, I'm gonna have some pretty good dreams tonight. But yeah, so obviously, you know, we gotta do the gaps and everything, but this is just kind of how it's gonna look. This is pretty much not the color, but this is the look that this thing is going to have. We kind of got the side panel right here. We get you this side view. So we got some wood holding it clamped on the back, but this is just a rough where the side panel is gonna sit. And I gotta tell you, I'm in love, guys. This is gonna look mean. And then kind of on the inside, you see where we have to move the seat up a little bit, and where we gotta clean this out a little bit. We got one of the good things, we figured out where the where we're gonna tuck a lot of these wires. The way the body sits, there's actually some room on the top as well. I know we have the defroster that we have to get in there, but outside of that, that's actually fairly thin. So we're gonna get these wires bundled neatly and put them on the top. But yeah, think that's good for a video today, Brian?
That's probably pretty good for today.
I think that's good for today. So I really do appreciate you guys watching these videos. As you see, like once we got past our little hiccups and we were like stuck on the same issue trying to get this engine started, things are starting to move a lot quicker again. So we're definitely going to try and keep cranking through and getting these videos out as quickly as possible for you guys and doing this work and getting it done, because I can't wait to see this monster in full form. So, all right, if you liked the video, comment down below. Let us know what you liked, what you didn't like. Hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. All right, Brian, you got something for the people?
No, it's too hot for that.
Yeah, it's like 90 degrees. Have a good one. Peace.